Hey everybody, today I'll be showing you guys how to start the Haval H6 over here. Just check Haval H6. I see there's no there's no video showing how to start, so got this key here, so you just unlock it. When it unlocks, you can see the mirrors open. Let's get in the car now. Okay, once you're in the car, you can adjust the seat over here. So this one, you can see, goes up and down like this. In this one, it's the seat height. You can see it's going down and going up. So yeah, let's get in the car. Okay, once you're in the car, the key, you can just put it in here. But first of all, like I said, adjust the seat, or else your legs will be cramped. So just adjust. You see, I'm going way forward, go backwards like this. Yeah, adjust the seat and also the chair over here. Okay, let's adjust the chair. You can see it's going down. I can move straighter up, get a good comfortable seat. Okay, let's start the car. Camera. So it's a push start car over here, so as you can see, we're gonna just put our leg on the brake, then click to start. Hold it, and then now the car is started. Open some windows here, just like that. Open some windows here. Okay. Now you just let your leg is on the brake over here. So now it's on, you can see it's on P over here. And then here's the park over here. And then this lever here, because first it was on park. So now you are reverse. You change it to reverse over here. And then now it's on the park lever here. So once you I think you press it down or up, let's just see, you'll feel the brake release. So let's just release here. You see, when you click down, now the car is released. Now you can just release the brake a bit, and then you can reverse. There you go. So I'm using my right leg over here. You can reverse just like that. And then now when you are drive, you change it back to drive mode over here, and just release the brake here and go forward. There you go. So yeah, that easy. And then now you wanna park it back, you're just going to lift up this lever here. Once you lift it up, you just click this parking brake here. It should be parked. So yeah, so that's how you start this car. Very easy and simple. I don't see a lot of videos on YouTube, so I was just showing you guys. Okay, so yeah, very basic. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So yeah, very easy to start this Haval H6. Just this lever and then that button over there. So yeah, okay, thanks guys.